Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the phone has enough charge and any urgent files are saved. Once done, swipe down or open Settings and find Airplane Mode. This disables cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios. Tap the Airplane Mode toggle now so radios go silent and the plane icon appears. You do this first to comply with aviation rules and prevent signal interference. Enabling it also conserves battery and lets you continue using offline apps immediately. Once Airplane Mode is on, you can selectively restore functions that airlines permit. For example, make sure to tap Wi-Fi or Bluetooth toggles if the airline allows onboard connectivity or Bluetooth headsets. This leaves cellular radio off while restoring those services. Also, switch off mobile data to avoid accidental roaming costs. You should open the apps you need, offline maps, downloaded music, or documents, so they load fully before takeoff. This approach balances connectivity with compliance and battery savings. To finish, verify the plane icon is visible and that cellular signal bars are gone. This confirms radios are off. If you need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, enable them individually while keeping Airplane Mode active. When the crew gives permission, turn Airplane Mode off to fully restore calling and mobile data. If something goes wrong, like Wi-Fi won't connect or you still see signal, toggle Airplane Mode off then on again or reboot the phone. That reset clears stuck radio states and usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.